Nothing to do with that. Oh, you are good for everything. That motivates them. So what we say is you need to use both kind of language.
हमारे DNA का rhythm change हो जाता है.
I would like to know if you guys are aware. Where is mine?
Mine is in your language because say mind your language.
I agree to it. Perfect. That's one
Then
point.
it's coming in the business also.
Oh yes. Mind your business.
Okay, so my
On the runway, I had passport, I had ticket, I had visa, but I was stuck, I was directionless, and this 2 days program of NLP has given me a takeoff point, and I am sure I will be reaching my destination very gracefully.
I am really feeling a filter in my thought process, which has helped me to evolve my thinking and day-to-day behavior.
I was not allowed to be here, and the moment Pooja Didi talked to my parents, and from in 1.5 day, I have completely evolved myself as a person.
Once you've traveled within, then only you will be able to form something new, something great. You will be able to innovate in that manner. I'm really thankful to both the coaches and all the participants.
Suren has created a lovely program where we are just fitting in all the pieces that we can.
You change yourself every day and evolve yourself as a human. Being mentally strong means to be calm, composed, happy.
How can they actually take it forward and bring that star qualities?
A combination of a doctor, a combination of philosophers, a combination of HR managers. You think about, professionals coming together and, learning, growing, where they share their learnings and they grow together. It's a unique blend.
You just want to be here, and when the time comes, like you have to go, you just don't want to go. This is magic. This place is pure magic, and I just want all of you to come here to join, because this is something I guess everyone has to experience.
My trainer, that is Mr. Suren, he has an art of understanding each and every participant, and he sees to that each and every one was comfortable during the course, especially me who traveled from Bangalore. Being in Goa was all the time worried about going and partying, but he made it a point that Goa would be the learning lesson of my life and gave me that knowledge which will stay with me for my life. Coming to the 4 master coaches, believe me, having pillars in life is something which is transformational and takes you to the next level. I had knowledge which was represented by our very own sweet Ashok sir as a master coach. Then you feel like home when you are in the hands of Pooja madam. That was another master coach. Her words just go into your ears and they ring a bell to the right direction.
I have attended a lot of trainings, and all they concentrate on is how we can help others. But this program teaches us how to help ourselves first, because we cannot pour from an empty cup.
यहाँ पे आने के बाद what I found a home away from home. Like learning तो मिली जो मिली, लेकिन उसके अलावा जो एक moral values भी हम जो यहाँ से लेके जा रहे हैं, वो that is beyond our expectations, and which is something I am carrying and I will be cherishing, and I will be transferring it to my children and the people I met.
It has been an amazing journey of this learning and putting the learning into practice. For me as a person, when I attended online classes, it was a different journey. But as now I'm doing an offline training sessions for my NLP practitioner course, this experience is something which I will every time cherish in my life.
क्या बताऊं आप कैसे हो, हर पल याद आओगे आप वैसे हो। फूलों का गुलदस्ता ही सजाया है सुरीले अंदाज से सुरेन ने ये। एक एक से बने समुंदर, आप एक एक से पूरे हो। क्या बताऊं आप कैसे हो, क्या बताऊं।